Welcome to Kitsap County Public Works. We are so glad that you're here. I'm Michelle Perdue, Senior Program Manager, and I'm here to give you a warm welcome from the Stormwater Division. We're responsible for taking care of the storm drains, pipes, ponds, projects, and campaigns that make up our stormwater program. If you've ever used a mutt mitt bag to pick up your pet's waste on your daily walk, seen a Puget Sound Starts Here sticker on your storm drain, or wondered who was going to clean up a spill that was headed for your neighborhood pond, you've encountered one of the many ways our division works to keep our local streams and waterways as clean as possible. What is stormwater? Stormwater, as we know it, is runoff from impervious surfaces. Those are roofs, driveways, patios, and parking lots. Anywhere we have a hard surface that water can run off of. That water carries pollutants, and it often comes off at quantities and speeds that cause us problems down the road, like flooding, pollution, or erosion. The Kitsap Peninsula is really a unique place. We have 250 miles of shoreline, we're bounded by Hood Canal and Puget Sound, and dotted with recreational lakes and streams. We are all about water. Our many streams are relatively short in length, and carry surface pollutants from stormwater runoff rapidly to those precious surface waters. With no large rivers or mountains containing snowpack, our county relies on groundwater for its drinking water. So our stormwater program is very dedicated to managing our runoff in the most effective way possible, on behalf of our groundwater as well as for our many local water bodies in Puget Sound. Kitsap County Stormwater's main goals to reduce flooding, restore natural function and habitat, and reduce pollution support our larger mission to protect, sustain, enhance, and restore the quality of Kitsap County's surface waters, to support economic growth and recreational activities, and sustain a healthy natural environment. In order to achieve those goals, the Stormwater Division has 37 full-time employees that span a wide range of areas of expertise, from professional and technical staff to our field operations crews. Together, this group forms a powerful ensemble that provides our division the proficiency and capability to make Kitsap County one of the principal players in the stormwater management arena. We also use strategic partnerships to gain specialized expertise and to amplify the efforts of our internal staff. From providing public environmental education to responding to spills, building, maintaining, and improving our stormwater infrastructure, ensuring that the public, private, and commercial stormwater facilities that drain to our system function correctly, or monitoring the quality of our receiving waters and the effectiveness of our projects and programs, our staff brings a passion for the environment and our local waterways to everything they do. So whether you're joining the Stormwater team, the Roads team, or one of our other many Public Works divisions, we're here to welcome you to the Public Works family. If you see us out there taking care of one of our thousands of storm drains or our miles of pipe, give us a wave and know that the Stormwater Division is out there working diligently to keep our water clean and Kitsap County a sustainable natural environment for your family and for generations to come.